Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. It looks like I'm naked. I'm not. I'm wearing a sports bra. But welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing another sort of clean with me video because you guys really seem to like my last one, and if you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. But you guys really like that one, so I wanted to do something similar, but this one is going to be my daily cleaning routine. So I'm going to take you guys through a typical day and show you what I clean and how I like to keep my apartment clean. So if you're new here and you like these videos, definitely subscribe so you don't miss the next one, because I plan on doing these kind of often if you guys keep enjoying them. And yeah, so today's video, that's what it is. Today's kind of a random day for me because I'm actually doing a makeup trial for my cousin's wedding. She's getting her engagement pictures done, and so I'm going to be doing her makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. I definitely don't do people's makeup very often, but I do it here and there a few times a year. But I have everything set up and a couple other things. I need to wash brushes because I haven't washed my brushes in a while, and obviously I want them clean to do her makeup. So I'm gonna wash my brushes and show you guys how I do that efficiently. And first thing, actually, I need to go make the bed, so let's go do that. Can you guys stab it? I'm trying. Move it. Hey. So I just finished cleaning all of my brushes. I just did a quick clean. If I'm doing a deep clean, I will actually wash them with regular dish soap, but since I wanted to do something fast, I used the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. This is just a liquid. You dip it in, you swirl it around, and it comes out clean. I got this huge bottle from Curly Q, downtown Vancouver. This bottle is huge, but I just recently got this container, and it's really nice to separate them. So we got face, medium face, I guess, like, yeah, like concealer and like little things, and then all my eye brushes. So I'm good to go for the makeup trial later today. Okay, so update, we have made the bed, I have washed the brushes, I've actually made breakfast, so I need to put away those dishes, but I wanted to show you guys a couple of the things. This is super random and off topic, but I wanted to show you guys a couple of the things that I picked up for my trip. And if you guys didn't know, I'm actually in New York. If you're watching this the day it goes up, or I'm like just back from New York, so check my Instagram for the post. But I wanted to get some things that were keto friendly for my trip, just because I feel like whenever I travel, I always crave putting like coconut oil in my coffee and like just like little snacks that are obviously healthier for you or better for me and this diet than just purchasing things at the airport, because doing keto at the airport is like impossible. So these are the things I got. So the things that are actually keto, I got a keto munch cookie. These are really good. I've had them before. And then I picked up a couple of these good fat bars. So I got the coconut chocolate chip and then the peanut butter one. I bought both of these at Whole Foods, so they're super accessible. And then I found this at Whole Foods, I think, too. It's like a cold and flu immune boosting drink just in case I feel sick. And then I also picked up a couple packets of single serve collagen to put in my coffee, because I love adding collagen to my coffee. But the star of the show is definitely this brain octane oil, so I got 4 packs of this to go into my coffee as well. I would have preferred MCT oil just straight up, but they didn't have any in single packs, and I don't feel like bringing like a powder or a liquid on the plane, especially internationally. So I'm gonna stick with these and pack these all in my carry-on for the trip. I'm a sweaty mess now. I just got home from a 2-hour dance class, so I haven't updated you guys in a while. I did the makeup trial. Cousin brought me sunflowers and they're so pretty. So I'm very sweaty from my class, and I always, whenever I self-tan, I always get this like white mustache. And it's really cute. And also my self-tanner is just like really patchy, so like don't mind my face. But I'm going to clean up and tidy things up before I hop in the shower, just because that's the way I like to do things. Let's mix this eating. That, can you please stop? Do that, sir. That is for decoration. Yeah, so that's the plan. Okay, go. I thought I would do a voiceover for this quick cleaning montage because you guys said in the last video you like that best. But the first thing I'm doing is cleaning up the cat area where they eat and where they go potty, just because it's always such a mess where they have like litter and food spilling out everywhere. So I take my little vacuum and just do a quick little cleanup of that area, as well as the kitchen carpet. And following that, I just like to empty the dishwasher if it is clean and fill it, because that kind of takes up like not that much time, but it makes the biggest difference in the kitchen. So that is what I'm doing now.
Let me know in a comment down below what your least favorite chore is, whether that's what you do now as a chore or what you did as a kid, because I always had to empty the dishwasher as a kid and I absolutely hated it. So let me know what your least favorite chore is down below. Since there really wasn't that many dishes that I needed to deal with today, I'm just tidying up the kitchen. I like to just tidy everything up, you know, replace the paper towel, clean out the sink if there was any food left in it, and also wash any pans or things that cannot go in the dishwasher. Give my counters a nice spray and wipe, tidy everything up, wash the stove a little bit because it always gets a little bit messy over there. You can also see that I'm talking to Google in this to change the song because I love my Google Home and I was listening to music while I was cleaning because it's the best thing to do. And then the final thing I like to do is to just clean up the living room a little bit, put the pillows back in their original spot from the cats running around. It's always nice to wake up to a nice clean kitchen and living room in the morning, so that's what I try and do.
Okay, Google, stop the music. Pause. Okay, so I wanted to mention this again because I've mentioned it before, but I love this cleaner. This is the Method All-Purpose. Sorry, there's probably so many noises going on. We got an air conditioner, we've got a fan, we got a dryer going. Hopefully you can hear me. But anyway, this is the Method All-Purpose Naturally Derived Pink Grapefruit Cleaner, and it is amazing. I think this is the 3rd bottle I've had. It smells so good, and this is what I use pretty much every single night to just wipe our counters, wipe our table, and wipe anything that wants to smell good and needs to be clean. So I will link this down below if you guys have a house or an apartment that you want to clean. I will link this. I'll also link the little vacuum that I use, the little, I think it's something Decker, Armin Decker, is that a thing? It is in fact Black & Decker, but I will link it down below. I absolutely love it. I use it pretty much every single day. It is so great for during the week when you don't want to pull out your full vacuum and do like a big vacuum, but since we have cats, we have cat hair literally everywhere, and also just like around their litter box is always a mess. So I like to use it for those things, if you spill any food, and it's really great to use in the car as well. So I've really been liking that, and I got it off Amazon, as did I get this. So I'll link those down below if you're interested. I'm watching the cats fight once again, and I'm waiting for my laundry to dry. I think that is pretty much it for my night tonight. I don't really have a lot to clean. This is usually typical. I'll do the dishes. I didn't have a lot. I just like loaded the dishwasher, finish up laundry, and then just do kind of like a fluff of the pillows and like wipe the counters kind of thing. But that's pretty much all I do every single night if everything else is like upkept, you know? So I finished the laundry as you guys saw, and that pretty well wraps up my cleaning for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know if I should do more clean with me's in the future, and subscribe if you're new if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great day. Bye.